Hii leo tumekuwa na sherehe muhimu ya ufunguzi wa mchongo ambao nimefanya katika mji wa Tatu City, na imekuwa ni sherehe ambayo imefana sana kutokana na weledi na uongozi wa wazee wa jamii ya Wakikuyu ambao wamekuja pale angalau kushuhudia na kuona jinsi kazi hiyo ilivyofanyika. Na mchongo wenyewe haswa ulikuwa ni jiwe ambalo linaashiria mti ambao unaaminika na mti ambao unaheshimika, mti wa mugumo.
Na ore ingiuga ni ati kihumo kia maundu maya tureka muthenya wa umuthi ni rugendo tukoretwo naruo rwa gukorwo tugitungata unduire witu wigie uhoro wa mugumo na haria twaumire twi ruriri rwa Gikuyu, na kuonania project ino ya Tatu City yukite gakwo guku Central Kiambu County kuria ruriri ruria runene rukoragwo rurigiceirie guku ni cosmopolitan no indigenous tribe yari ya Gikuyu, na nikio muthenya wa umuthi turatia maundu megie unduire wa Gikuyu na tugakorwo ati tondu mugumo uyu ni muti na ni rubao na no rukinye handu rugakinya rubuthe kana ruthire, no ihiga riri ria mugumo twaruguria muthenya wa umuthi ni ihiga rigutura miaka na miaka.
Umuthi ni tugukite guku Tatu City. Tatu City iri itura ria uthii wa na mbere thiini wa guku Kiambu mwena wa Ruiru ni undu wa kuruguria muhiano wa mugumo wakitwo na ihiga inene muno rirutitwo kuria ikamba-ini rigacongwo rigathondekwo wega rigatuika kindu gikuoneka miaka na miaka. Gitumi ni tondu mugumo toyo murona thutha wa miaka iho onokorwo ni miaka 100 ni ukagwa kana ni ukabutha, no riu guthondeka ihiga riu ni kuga mugumo ni wahangirwo na ihiga riumu, ihiga rigutura rioneka miaka na miaka, na ciana ni igokaga ho guthoma ikamenya niki bata wa mugumo niki.
Yeah, today's a huge day for us. We've been working on this for quite a number of years. We're really proud of what we've achieved with the community. All our projects are rooted in the local community. The community here was here long before we were. They all survive long after we have gone. We need to integrate with them, work with them. We need to, above all, respect their culture and work with them to preserve and develop their culture with young people. The future of Africa is not about building Western cities or Dubai cities. The future is building African cities with African heart, African soul, African culture.